The MGHS achieved a 5-star safety rating in the Euro NCAP crash tests, with strong scores across all categories: 90% for adult occupants, 85% for child occupants, 83% for vulnerable road users, and 74% for safety assist systems. Adult Occupant Protection. Frontal impact. The MGHS passenger compartment remained stable, offering good protection to the knees and femurs for occupants of various sizes and seating positions. The car was deemed a safe impact partner in frontal collisions. Side impact. Excellent protection was recorded in both side barrier and side pole tests, with the MGHS scoring maximum points. Excursion control. Rated marginal. However, the car includes countermeasures to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries. Rear impact. Good whiplash protection was confirmed for front and rear seats. Safety features. Includes an advanced e-call system, a secondary impact prevention system, and water submersion escape options. Child Occupant Protection. Impact tests. The MGHS scored maximum points in child protection, with good performance in both frontal offset and side pole impacts. Child restraint. Front passenger airbag can be disabled to allow rear-facing child seats, and clear airbag status indicators are provided. Limitations. Does not include a child presence detection system. Vulnerable road user protection. Pedestrian/cyclist impact. Provides good or adequate head protection, except on the windscreen pillars. Femur, knee, and pelvis protection were mostly rated good. Autonomous emergency braking. AEB effective at detecting pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, including dooring scenarios where a door opens in a cyclist's path. Safety assist systems. AEB performance. Good response to other vehicles, with impact avoidance in most tests. Additional safety features. Seatbelt reminders for all seats. Direct driver status monitoring for fatigue and distraction. Lane support with gentle corrective intervention. Speed assistance system with automatic limit adjustment. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.